Well, hi there folks, it's Matt Hayson here looking at everything impacting the Sydney property market this week as we turn a corner into winter and some pretty atrocious weather. My God, but let's close off May, where the latest CoreLogic data reflects that Sydney property prices increased by a modest 0.6% for the month. However, that's the fastest rate of growth Sydney has experienced in the last 3 months. So this resilient Sydney property market is punching through the high cost of living, the higher rate environment, and a deeply pessimistic consumer market as well. That said, Sydney property values are now up by 14.1% since January last year, completely eradicating any of the price losses that were experienced through 2022. And Sydney is now tracking towards a record high median in the next couple of months. Now, many people have argued what's driving Sydney property prices forward is the low supply of property. However, when we look at the latest SQM research data, new listings coming to market in Sydney actually increased by 8.4% through the course of May, and they're up 21.7% for the course of the year. Also, vendors are finding a little bit more confidence in the market at the moment, and they've edged up their asking prices again by a modest 0.4% for the month. So we have this really interesting property market evolving where we've got property prices just edging forward, we've got new listings coming to market also increasing, but then we have conflicting data with the auction clearance rate last week coming through at a pretty weak 50.7%. Now that's the weakest auction clearance rate Sydney has recorded since the 7th of April. And in our view, we continue to see this arm wrestle on value between buyers and sellers, and the depth of the buyer pool remains pretty weak. However, the prices being achieved still reflect modest price growth. So as we move into the winter months, what we are expecting is listings are continuing to increase, and this is likely to be the most active winter selling period that we've seen since the forgettable COVID lockdowns, when all we could do was go out, look at property, buy and sell. So that turns us into this weekend, folks, where we've got some amazing properties on display for the long weekend. Our entire team looks forward to seeing you out and about. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you all next week.